tonight after that changeover from just plain old snow. We head outside right now. This is a view of the toll booth over by the George Washington Bridge from the Fort Lee side in New Jersey. Roads are snow covered out there. You got to take it slow if you're heading out. Temperatures are below freezing right now. 29 degrees, and look at that wind coming in from the south at 10 miles per hour. Eventually, that'll warm things up enough right along the coast to change things over to rain by later on tonight, but the damage will have already been done in terms of snowfall. We're looking at 3 to 6 inches region-wide. Pressure right now 30.27 and falling. The normal high this time of year should be around 43. Our high so far today is 29. We've only gotten about 1.5 inches of snowfall in the park, but there's more where that came from. Check this out. Neptune down the shore, 4 inches of snow. Manalapan in Monmouth County checking in with 2.5. Woodstock up in Ulster County getting about 2 inches, again 1.5 inches in the park, but there are a few more inches where that came from. You'll see on the radars. Right now 29 in the city, even 28 down the shore at Belmar and Toms River. You have risen above freezing though on the east end of the island, and that will cut your accumulations out by the Twin Forks. You can see on the radar picture right now there was a little bit of a break in the action, especially along and north of I-84, but that's beginning to fill in with more snowfall right now. So that lull will be coming to an end fairly soon. And we're still in it right now. City, much of central and southern New Jersey, Long Island, southwestern Connecticut, and there's more moisture located off to our south and west. So here's our future cast overnight tonight. You see by 9 p.m. we're still snowing steadily here in the city down to about Sandy Hook. South of there, though, right along the shore, down toward Neptune, that got 4 inches of snow already. You're probably switching over to rain by 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. By 11 o'clock, here comes that rain snow line moving into the 5 boroughs of New York City. We're probably in a transitional area of sleet and freezing rain at that time, and then it changes over to rain after that. Now north and west of the city probably staying just as sleet and freezing rain, well north and west staying as snow, and then we clear things out by early tomorrow morning in terms of the rainfall moving offshore and in terms of the clouds by noon. So we could actually see some sunshine during the day tomorrow. Precipitation types overnight, just to summarize everything, it's ultimately changing to rain right along the coast. It's snow to ice just north and west of the city, and mostly snow as you head well north and west. A general 3 to 6 inches of snow in this storm. AccuWeather forecast for tonight: snow for a while, changing to ice and then rain right along the coast. We're down to about 28, and then temperatures rise late. Damp early tomorrow, then clouds and some sunny breaks. The high getting all the way up to 43, so we will see some melting out there. Partly cloudy, turning colder tomorrow night. Look at this. Wet and slushy areas will turn to solid ice. We get down to 19, and another Arctic blast is here on Monday. Only 20 degrees for a high. We get down to 6 Monday night. Still cold on Tuesday. Maybe a few snow showers late Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then back into the freezer on Thursday and Friday. Just really no end in sight. We'll have an important update tonight.
All right. Thanks, Jeff.
Laura Benke up next with Look at Sports.
All right, well, we are thinking warm thoughts in sports tonight. We're taking you to Florida, where we can pretend it's actually spring, because right now it's finally all about spring training. And for CC Sabathia, that means getting himself physically ready to help the Yankees this season. Well, the Mets pitchers and catchers, they got to work today, and making this season's roster isn't going to be a gimme for anyone. Sports is next.
Hollywood's biggest A-listers